website can be intimidating, mainly if you are not familiar with computers. Do not be worried, we will help you. After assisting approximately many individuals in constructing a website utilizing WordPress, our team at Aurawas Technologies started creating an extensive step-by-step explanation of designing a website without learning to code. This course will help users of all skill levels and ages. When you need assistance, kindly call our professional team for free assistance in setting up a website. First, a bespoke website does not need you to be a web developer. Our article is aimed at non-technical people, and it will teach you how to establish a website without using any code. Considering that, let's go through the things you must know to build a website. The following are the 2 things that you will require to make your WordPress site up and to run. A website's name is represented by a domain name, like google.com. A place in which your website's data will be saved is WordPress hosting. The solution greatly depends on the kind of site you're seeking to build. A simple corporate website might cost approximately $100 to $30,000 annually. You may begin trimming and progressively adding more capabilities to the sites as companies' sales increases. In this approach, you will minimize expenses and prevent overpaying while limiting any harm. Several website builders can help you in making a site. We recommend self-hosted WordPress as a website system. WordPress is among the most known websites on the globe. It is accountable for about 43% of all sites on the internet. WordPress is a free, open system with numerous built-before website layouts and add-ons. It's pretty versatile, and it interfaces with almost every third-party software and service available to web admins. This is a step-by-step guide for creating a website. We have divided it into phases and we will assist you to understand everything throughout the process. Follow the steps given, and you will have a professional-looking website. We will also recommend the best course of action based on your needs to help you overcome your website to the next step.